In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statement PDF to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get transactions from a PDF bank statement into QuickBooks so you can review and categorize them with confidence. We'll start at your online banking portal. Sign into your bank and locate the statements area for the account you want to import. Download the statement as a PDF and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a bookkeeping folder. Double check the date range and the account number on the statement so you're pulling the right period. That quick check helps you avoid duplicates or gaps later. QuickBooks doesn't import PDFs directly, so the next step is converting that statement to a format QuickBooks accepts. QuickBooks works with CSV, QBO, and OFX files. The easiest option is often to see if your bank offers a direct CSV download for the same date range. If it does, use that. If not, use a reliable PDF to CSV converter. However you get the CSV, make sure it includes 3 essentials: a date column, a description or memo column, and an amount. Amounts can be a single column with positive numbers for deposits and negative for payments, or separate debit and credit columns. Keep the formatting clean by removing extra headers, totals, or blank rows. Also make sure dates are consistent, like MMDD YYYY, so QuickBooks can recognize them. Now open QuickBooks and go to Transactions, sometimes labeled Banking. Choose Upload Transactions. Select the correct bank account in QuickBooks that matches the account on your statement, then click Browse and pick your CSV file. Click Next to continue. You'll be asked to map your fields. Match the date column to date, the description column to description, and the amount column to amount. If your file uses separate debit and credit columns, map those to the appropriate fields instead of a single amount column. Confirm the date format matches what's in your CSV so the import lines up correctly. When everything looks right, click Next. You'll see a preview of the transactions. Take a moment to scan a handful for the correct dates, signs on amounts, and that there aren't obvious duplicates from a previous import. If it all looks good, click Import. Your transactions will now appear in the For Review tab. From here, you can categorize, add, or match them to existing records. If something doesn't look right, you can exclude it before adding. That's it. You've successfully moved your bank statement data from PDF to QuickBooks using a CSV.